Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can remove background from a picture in Excel. The procedure is simple. First you have to go to the Insert tab, go to the Illustration tab, and then press the picture button. Here it will ask you where is the picture. Either you want to download it from online or do you have this picture in your PC. So I have this picture in my PC. I will click on it. Then I will select the picture from where I want to remove the background, and once you import the picture, select this picture, you will see here the option will appear picture format. So once you click on it, you will see on your extreme left side there is a option remove background. Click on it. When you click on it, it will something strange will happen with your picture. When you click on it, it will give you a pink color on your picture. That means the pink color means the portion that will remove, and the other colors means the portion will remain. So if you think this is not the correct selection, so you can make some correction as well. For example, I want to keep some area like from the bottom. I need this area, I need this monogram, I need just some part of this sleeve. While you are doing the correction, some other part, unwanted part will also select it. So if you don't want this area, then you have to select another option, make area to remove. Select this and then select the portion that you don't want. Then go back again. I want this eye of the Spider-Man, I want this upper portion of the head of the eye of Spider-Man. And for the fine tune, I need some zoom to this picture, because if you see the headphones are removing with the auto corrections or auto selection, I mean. So I need some correction. Almost done. If you see, and if you see here, this part I don't want because this is not a part of the picture. So I will select the make area to remove. I don't want this area, I want to remove this area. I'll precisely select, try to precisely select the area, and then the other part I do want. So it looks good to me. Once you think your selection is good, then oh, there's a little portion that I also want, but let's try what will happen. So you see, you can easily judge which part of your picture was not correctly selected. So you can go back again, go back to the picture format, go back to the remove background, and you can go again and zoom this part where you think the selection was not correct. Then you want this area to this picture, in this picture, select this portion. Now I feel most of the part is selected correctly, and that's it. Okay, now everything is done, everything is good except this. Okay, I'm okay with it. I will say yes, and ta-da, your background is removed, and now you can easily overlay this picture to any other picture. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.